Hey plant lovers! Did you know that some plants actually prefer low light conditions? That's right. No need for bright, sunny windows to enjoy lush greenery in your home. Whether you're dealing with a north-facing room, a cozy corner, or a windowless bathroom, there are plenty of plants that thrive without direct sunlight. Let's dive into 10 fantastic options that will brighten up your space with minimal effort. 1. Snake plant. This hardy plant is nearly indestructible. It thrives in low light and can go weeks without water. Its upright, sword-like leaves add a modern touch to any room. Plus, it's excellent at purifying indoor air. Real simple. 2. ZZ plant. With its glossy, dark green leaves, the ZZ plant is a showstopper. It tolerates low light and infrequent watering, making it perfect for beginners or those with a busy lifestyle. Real simple. 3. Pothos. Pothos is a versatile vine that does well in low light. Its heart-shaped leaves come in various colors, adding a pop of greenery to your space. It's also forgiving if you forget to water it occasionally. Real simple. 4. Chinese evergreen. This plant is known for its attractive, patterned leaves and tolerance to low light. It's also an air purifier, making it a great addition to bedrooms or offices. Real simple. 5. Cast iron plant. As the name suggests, this plant is tough. It thrives in low light and can handle neglect, making it ideal for those new to plant care. Real simple. 6. Peace lily. Peace lily are not only beautiful with their white blooms, but also excel in low-light environments. They also help purify the air, making them a great choice for bedrooms or offices. Real simple. 7. Parlor palm. This elegant palm thrives in low light and adds a tropical feel to any room. It's perfect for adding a touch of greenery to shaded areas. Real simple. 8. Spider plant. Spider plants are known for their air-purifying qualities and adaptability to low light. They also produce pups or baby plants, allowing you to propagate new plants easily. Real simple. 9. Heartleaf philodendron. This trailing vine is perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. It thrives in low light and is easy to care for, making it ideal for beginners. Real simple. 10. Prayer plant. Known for its unique leaf movements, the prayer plant folds its leaves at night. It thrives in low light and adds a touch of intrigue to your plant collection. Real simple. Extra tips. Watering. Most low-light plants prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. Always check the soil moisture before adding water to avoid overwatering. Humidity. Some plants, like the prayer plant, appreciate higher humidity. Consider placing them in bathrooms or using a humidity tray. Cleaning. Dust can block sunlight and reduce photosynthesis. Regularly wipe your plant's leaves with a damp cloth to keep them clean and healthy. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Have a favorite low-light plant or a tip to share? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And for more plant care tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy planting!